Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. So today I'm super excited because I got my Treasure Studios art canvas, and I've been waiting for this one. Well, I ordered it July 29th, and I am super duper excited for this one. And I'm just hoping I have a better experience than last time. That's all. The box is a little bit smashed, but it's not super bad, so hopefully everything's good. I thought it was bigger than this, but we're gonna get it and see what I got. I have a couple canvases, well, a couple kits I'm waiting on from AliExpress, and I ordered a few little things from Diamond Painting Bliss on Etsy. And yeah, this isn't my Treasure Studios art. It's like, I swear this is what their boxes look like. Even the canvas, oh no, this is my one from I don't even know how to say that name, from not from TSA, from AliExpress. But it looks exactly like TSA. Obviously it's not, because it doesn't have the same toolkit, but it does have a pink pen, a green squishy, a little tiny bow, a couple little tiny squares of wax, and plastic tweezers. And sorry, this is gonna, oh, we're gonna do this first actually. So this is what this really reminds me of Treasure Studios art. I mean, like, a lot. It even has the same, the canvas even feels like my other one, and the plastic is the same, really thick plastic. This really reminds me of it, a lot. Anyhow, this is going to keep rolling up. That's the image. It doesn't have, I don't see a inventory sheet, so that's the image, and it has 14 colors. This is a crystal kit, and I ordered this like actually my computer's right here. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna look it up for you guys to tell you. It was sometime in August. Let me check it for you guys. I'll give you all the details. I didn't have them handy. This came in a, you guys saw it was a bubble wrap, and it was pink, and the box looks exactly like TSA's, at least from what I can recall. It reminds me of it, at least. So I assumed it was my Treasure Studios art. So I don't have this order pulled up, or I didn't even look to remind myself, because I didn't know that's what this was. I just got the notification the other day that my TSA was being, or not notification, but when I looked it up, it said it was being delivered. So I assumed, so that will probably be here maybe today or tomorrow, hopefully. Let me check my orders. It's pulling up. It's just taking a minute. All right. So I paid $25.29 for this, and I ordered it on August 18th, and today is Thursday, September 10th. So it didn't take very long to get here at all, which is really cool. I know this is really loud. I'm sorry. I'm gonna look at the symbols before. I swear, y'all, this is like, I wonder if this is the same company from TSA or something. I wonder if they get them made at the same factory, because they look exactly the same. The symbols are the same, everything. So funny. So, got really clear symbols. There's going to be a lot of 310. I'm going to check the stickiness and measure it before. It's very sticky. And like I said, let me give you the dimensions on this. This is a new company to me. I've never ordered from there. It's supposed to be a 40 by 50, and I'm going to get my measuring tape. and we're gonna check it really quick. And we're gonna see if it measures true to size. So it is 40. And it's 50. So it measures true to size, has good clarity, very sticky. It is pretty much identical to Treasure Studios Arts to me. Actually, when my TSA gets here, like I said, it should be here. When it gets here, I'm gonna double check for you guys and we'll do a comparison. So these are the 310s, because even the bags are the same. So these are the 310s, which you can see I have quite a few. Like definitely living the 310 life, for sure on this one. And like I said, these are crystals. So this is like a really light grayish blue. This is obviously, if I'm showing you these drills, you'll be able to see exactly why. I can't see. Hold on one second, guys. Okay, guys, we're back. My I don't know. I think it was my phone that froze. Anyhow, so you'll see exactly why I picked this canvas, because well, this is a really pretty green. It has lots of teals and pretty blue crystals, and these are my colors, y'all. I keep telling you. So, we have all these gorgeous colors, and we have some. Those are almost like pink, very light pink. Lots of light blues, dark blues, teals. That looks like I don't know what that is. It says 3024, but it looks like a dark black crystal. So those are clear, like a lighter grayish color. So this is going to be super pretty, I think, when it's completed. I can't wait to see how it looks. I've never ordered from this company. I've never seen anything done from them that I can think of on videos. So I'm quite excited to see what this turns out like. So we know the 310 life is real in this one. As you can see, I'm sorry, my phone was in the way, which was showing me my camera view, so I moved it because that's kind of distracting. So you can see like it has a bunch of, like, it's mostly 310, but then it does come in here with the little hearts, which is, I'm gonna kind of take a look at what this is gonna look like. I want to know what the little hearts are. The hearts are 336. So this like gray color is going to be scattered throughout the 310s. And then you have a lot of the greens and the teals throughout. So I think that's going to be super pretty. I'm really excited about this one just because I liked this image a lot, and from the preview of it, it does kind of look like that. So she kind of looks like she's glowing, and I think that's a really cool kind of like effect from the crystals. I do have a couple crystal kits from Crystal Art Canvas Designs that I'm excited to do as well. Those kind of are more, I don't want to say fun, like this is fun too, but this one almost, like I said, has like a glowing effect or something. So I'm excited to do this one. I probably won't do it for a little while because I got a lot going on with drills and chills canvases up my butt and all kinds of other stuff, but this is going to be, definitely it's going to be a fun one to do. I'm sorry I'm tripping you guys. It's just so weird because it just is so much like TSA. I don't know. Hopefully that one gets delivered and I can kind of do a comparison and see what they look like compared to each other, since they're so similar from like what I'm like thinking. So anyhow, I hope you guys all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon to be notified the next time I upload a video. Bye guys.